Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run a Windows Defender scan in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to completely load up. It's important to let everything boot properly before proceeding with any system scans, as this ensures Windows Defender has fully initialized and can perform an accurate scan of your system. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, you'll want to access Windows Security, which is where Windows Defender lives. To do this, navigate to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on it. This will open the Start menu where you can search for various applications and settings. In the search box that appears, type in Windows Security and press Enter. This will launch the Windows Security application, which is Microsoft's built-in security suite that protects your computer from viruses, malware, and other threats. It's a comprehensive tool that handles all your system security needs in one place. Once the Windows Security window opens, you'll see several options displayed. Look for the section labeled Virus and Threat Protection and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage all antivirus and threat-related functions on your Windows 11 system. It's where you can run scans, view threat history, and configure protection settings. After clicking on Virus and Threat Protection, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll prominently see the Quick Scan button displayed. This quick scan feature is designed to check the most common areas where threats typically hide, making it a fast and efficient way to ensure your system is safe. Simply click on the Quick Scan button to initiate the Windows Defender scan of your system. Once you click that button, the scan process will begin immediately. You'll see a progress indicator showing how far along the scan is. At this point, all you need to do is wait for Windows Defender to complete its scan. Depending on how many files you have and your system's performance, this usually takes just a few minutes. The scan will check your system for viruses, malware, and other potentially unwanted software. When the scan finishes, Windows Defender will present you with a scan results summary. This summary will show you whether any threats were found and what actions were taken. If your system is clean, you'll see a message confirming that no threats were detected. And that's it, you've successfully run a Windows Defender scan on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.